is our first time making cookies.
Yeah, it's our first time we're shaping the balls.
Yes. And this is all we have. What do we add in here, Eli?
We make circles here and then add it.
Alright. Let's keep doing it. How much cookies do you think we'll have by the end?
I don't know.
Like 15 maybe?
We got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I mean 3, 4, 5, 6.
Try and make them pretty big, because we got heaps and won't fit in there. So if we make small ones, it's just gonna take up space, and then we got heaps of cookies.
Oh.
That's alright. We can just keep adding. So maybe like this size.
Oh yeah, maybe.
Like make it like comparison like that size. Okay.
Yeah, because when it goes flat, it's gonna be like.
Yeah, Eli, please do on here.
I always forget to do
Yeah.
it.
Try not to make mess, because we have to clean it up and all that.
Oh yeah. Is that the same size? I don't think so.
Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna make mine bigger. But hey, you wanna drop the mine?
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm gonna make the perfect circle.
Alright. Hey, look at my one. Looks like a planet.
Can I see? Can I compare
Look.
it to that one?
Planet cookie.
Okay, compare it to this one.
Look, the planets are crashing. There.
Why?
Cause.
It can be a big one. We can eat together, like a tree and Noah and Ezekiel, and we can cut it with a knife and then nom.
Yeah, I guess.
But we don't want to do that.
Yeah.
Why?
I just hope when they get baked, they don't touch each other and then they all merge, like fuse. Because you know what happens when it bakes, eh?
Yeah.
It goes like this, like a ball, and then when you put it in the oven, the heat makes it go down like this to like a wider cookie.
Oh yeah.
And I'm afraid that it might go like this and it'll touch each other, then it just becomes one big cookie.
It can be alright in one big cookie. You can just cut it. Cut it to
like,
full.
Yeah, like a pizza.
Yeah.
Pizza cookie or something like that.
Pizza cookie.
But yeah, that's
We should
alright.
add some like sauces on.
Oh, sauce and a cookie. Maybe we just
Make them spread out.
Yeah, I mean,
Like make them spread out.
we don't really have much space to work with, so
They're gonna become like.
I think they're gonna become just one big cookie. But let's find out. We'll find out, okay?
If they have like space. Oh.
We'll see. Try and make it like at least like these sizes, alright? We might have to add more on this. But we can just use whatever we have left.
I think the smallest is this one.
Yeah, I think we can work on that one at the end. If we got any left, we'll just add, okay?
Ew, that's a little big. That was a little
Yeah.
bit. That's large.
Hey, here comes another big one. How many people do you think can live on this planet? Look, the cookie dough is the ocean and the chocolate is the countries.
Really? The chocolate is. Yeah.
Look, ew, oh, it's coming to crash. Boom.
This is NASA cookie.
Yeah.
Cookie
That's
NASA.
it.
Cookie NASA.
Alright guys, we're gonna keep continue to making these, and then we'll show you before we put in the oven, okay?
Yeah. See you after.
Alright.
Bye.
Guys, we're back. We're
Look
gonna
how
name each cookie, but first, how many have we got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13 cookies. Maybe we should spread them out a bit more, just because they might touch each other when they, you know, become a cookie. Like that. Is that alright? Yeah, I think that's alright.
Yeah, because when
Actually, put the
this
small
goes
one.
flat, these two will touch each other.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this one's already breaking.
Right. Oh no, Eli. Quickly make it. We want to put it in. Make it like a ball. Yeah.
What's this sound?
Make it properly, like a proper ball. Yeah, ready? Okay, put it on. Okay, grab the tray, Eli. We're gonna put it in. Watch out, it's hot.
Can you do it?
Yeah, hold the camera.
We're making cookies.
Okay. Yes, record this. Alright, and here we go. And it says it takes about 12 to 15 minutes.
12?
So when that becomes 45, the number, we're gonna come back, okay?
Yeah.
Alright. See it after.
Look what we got here. It's a little bit not flat, but it's fine. We made it good, but let's look at the cookies.
Yeah, what's the time now? It's 45.
45.
Better turn it off so we don't burn the house. Okay, watch out, you like want to open it, okay?
Okay,
This is the reveal. 2, 1.
go. Oh.
What do you reckon? You reckon it's ready?
Yeah, I reckon it's ready.
Alright, smells pretty good, but only one way to find out is the taste.
Yeah, let's do the taste. Let's do it when we pick Ezekiel up, like drop him off.
Alright, okay. Just
Let's drop Ezekiel off first. Now, let's drop him now.
Alright.
We eat these cookies when we drop him off. Okay, bye. Bye, guys. Say bye, Lister.
Alright.
Bye. We're just gonna drop Ezekiel off.
So, we've reached the end.
Of the mission of the cookies.
Alright. How's it looking?
It kind of looks like buns.
The true judge is here.
Okay, judges are
I'm not the
Ezekiel
judge.
and Ezekiel. Do you think they'll like it?
Let him try.
Ezekiel,
Ezekiel, which one would you want?
one.
Is it going for the big one? Or the
Oh,
small?
you like the look of it?
Which one do you like?
Take
This
one.
one?
Yeah, you want that one?
Yeah, this one. Wow. Okay, which one you gonna grab?
I'll grab me.
I'll grab me this one. No? Which one you gonna grab? Okay, guys, in the middle. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's all judge. Hey.
Oh, good boy.
All right.
Take out blind If you can't see why millions of Kiwis rely on the country's fairest telco, get your money back.
Well done.
We did it.
Yum.
We did it.
We did it.
All right. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye.
Is it yum, Ezekiel?
Yes. Oh.
Yeah.
How's things holding up? Oh, not too well, I see.